Hello, good day, Madam Sir. I'm Rasha Alusaga from Philippines country. I was born on September 15, 1982, and I'm 41 years old, and I'm married. I have two daughters. My first child is 14 years old, and my second child is 8 years old. I have 4 experience as a domestic helper in Abu Dhabi and Malaysia. My main duties is ironing, cleaning the house, washing clothes, mopping, and take good care of children from 2 months and up, assist them going to school, cooking them breakfast, lunch, and dinner, teach them how to do the homework, playing with them also, uh, and sleep with them. I can discipline also children according to the method of by my employer. I love children because I treat them like my own son and daughter, ma'am sir. I have also experience regarding taking care of elderly. I can assist them cooking. I can assist them going to bathroom. I can assist them changing their clothes, feeding them, and sometimes sleep with them also. I treat them like my own like my own mother and father. Ma'am, sir, if you give me a chance to take care of your family and chance to work from your family, I'm reliable, I'm trustworthy, I'm honest. Uh, I love to follow instruction if give me a chance, ma'am, sir. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give a better future of my family and also to help my father for maintenance their medicines. Thank you, ma'am, sir, and I hope to see you soon.